Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut PC application and I have created a project in this CapCut PC. And for example guys, I'm going to remove this watermark from my video. First of all, I'm going to duplicate my video. I'm going to right click on it and then I'm going to click on copy and I'm going to paste it. Okay, and then we're going to use mask to cover the watermark. I'm going to go to the mask option and I'm gonna select the circle mask, and then we're going to adjust the size of the mask and take another part of your video. For example, I'm going to take this part because I think this part will be suitable to cover the watermark. Okay, like this, and then I'm going to go to the basic and we can drag the mask to cover the watermark in this video like this. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. You can also rotate the mask if you want, and to make it more natural I recommend you to go to the adjust. You're going to go to the adjust right here, go to the adjustment and you can adjust the brightness, the contrast, the exposure. It's up to you. I'm going to adjust, for example, the lightness. Let's adjust the lightness. I'm going to increase the exposure just a little bit. Okay, now it looks better than before, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.